yellow moon, yellow moon.
Good morning, guys. So today is prom. I just detangled and twisted up my hair. I'm going to get it washed now, and I did my nails. Can you see them? Focus. Yeah, I did my nails. Yeah, I'm not about that long nail life right now, so this is perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair, and I am just gonna do a wash and go, because I'm not about that Brazilian life either. So when I wash my hair, I'll come back. Yes, we are going to wash. Hi, Triselle. Hi, Triselle. So yeah. Big ups. Say hi. Yeah. Stop myself. Yes, we gonna wash our locks. Say hi. Cause I'm doing a prom vlog. Here's my nail. I'm vlogging.
Hi. I'm so ugly.
Sun hot. No. So over here, it's finished washing. I'm drenched in water. Yeah, girl.
Too well.
Got it. So we're gonna do our hair.
Yeah. What shall we?
Okay.
So usually edit and clip the parts that you don't want.
Fight the feelings, yeah. Just hide it all beneath me, yeah. Ain't no life without you in it, black and white, no color in it. You look at me like you save me. Inhale me in, baby, just breathe me. Feel so goddamn deeply. Then we lock in arms until we sleeping. Whoa. It wasn't what I thought, baby. No, it wasn't what I wanted. Yeah, I thought we'd have forever.
So we're done. Ooh, slay. Ooh. So yeah, when we're getting ready. Ooh, okay. So when we're getting ready, we'll come back. Might as well. I don't normally. Ooh, I haven't done this in a while, but I mean, I want my face to look flawless for pictures, so I'm just gonna do it and see if it at least looks a little bit better. I'm sorry if the camera is lopsided right now. I am not in the mood to fix it properly.
Want me till the morning, yeah. You just want me till the morning, yeah. You just want me till the morning. No, you just want me till the morning. You just want me till the morning, yeah. You just want me till the morning, yeah.
So I got my eyebrows done. I did some bantu knots in my hair, and yeah, that's how it's looking. I'm gonna fix that eyeliner. I'm gonna fix the front part of the brow in a minute.
pressure on me. No, no, no. No, it wasn't what I thought, baby. It wasn't what I wanted. But you just want me till the morning, yeah, yeah. You just want me till the morning, yeah, yeah. You just want me till the
I really don't see the point of me getting ready so early and nobody else is ready, so say hi to my vlog.
Charlie wants to be here.
You didn't have a plan to come out?
You didn't ask them out?
No.
Why? A style.
Because of the style?
She not come from the 21st century. And I think too much you want.
Then me buy a no.
Yeah?
Say. So yeah, this is how I'm looking. I mean, yeah, I'm ready. I'm just gonna go downstairs and see what everybody else is up to. I told them of hot air. Yeah. Alright, let's take a picture. Yes, girl. Let me see how expensive vanilla really looks. You know? Because I've heard about you. I've heard about you. Yes.
Your shoes are fire!
Thank you.
Oh my gosh! I love your shoes like these.
So expensive. Oh my gosh. Woo. No, sir.
To get up and twirl?
Yes, get up and twerk. Backside. No, they just all like listen. No, I'm tired. No, I'm not. Well, okay. I'm in the bathroom and I'm bored and yeah. Well, okay, so this is the only time I got to vlog because it was dark the entire time. I'm very upset because them don't give me a dessert. They're just thinking you take people and skip the table and don't give me a dessert. Like, I'm upset.
fight them feelings, yeah, yeah. Just hide it all beneath me, yeah, yeah. Ain't no life without you in it, black and white, no color in it. You look at me like you see me. Inhale me in, baby, just breathe me so goddamn deeply. Then we lock in arms until we sleeping. Whoa, whoa.